Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make J.CO. donuts at home. First, combine your dry ingredients like bread flour and sugar. Then, activate your yeast in warm milk with a little sugar. Mix the wet and dry ingredients, then knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Let it rise in a warm spot until it doubles in size, which usually takes about 1 hour. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to shape your donuts. Carefully place these cutouts onto squares of parchment paper. This helps prevent sticking. Now, let them rise for a second time, for about 30 to 45 minutes until they look puffy. Now for the fun part, frying. Heat your vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 1 or 2 donuts into the hot oil, using the parchment paper to transfer them. Fry each side for about 1 minute until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon and place them on a wire rack with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Finally, let's glaze these delicious treats. While the donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze by whisking powdered sugar with a little milk until smooth. Dip each donut into the glaze, ensuring both sides are coated. Let any extra glaze drip off before placing them back on the wire rack. Serve your fresh, homemade J.CO. style donuts and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.